Hello everyone, and this is Edmund Mindaros channel and another Windows tutorial tips and guide. Ang isi-share ko sa inyo at ituturo ko on how to enable or disable Windows Defender Security and Windows Innovative. So a quick information regarding sa Defender Security sa Windows. Microsoft Defender Antivirus is an antivirus software developed by Microsoft to protect computers running Windows. It scans, detects, and removes viruses, spyware, and malware, helping to protect the operating system from infections. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into it. Ang next step, so click mo lang tong start menu, so right click lang tayo. And then select lang natin yung settings. Dito sa system settings, and then baba lang tayo and select mo yung privacy and security, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa privacy and security, yung pinakauna lang makita mo dito yung security, i-click mo tong Windows Security. And then yung pinakauna lang mga kaibigan, makita mo dito yung Windows Security, click yung Open Windows Security. And then dito lang sa left side, baba ka lang and select mo yung Virus and Threat Protection. So click mo lang yan. And then next, scroll down tayo and then select mo yung Virus and Threat Protection settings. Okay, and then i-click mo lang ito, Manage Settings. So, click mo lang yan. And then ito na siya. So, makikita mo dito yung tinatawag na real-time protections. So, dapat naka-enable ito mga kaibigan. Pwede mo rin itong i-turn off. So, real-time protection is off, leaving your device vulnerable sa mga spyware or malware mga kaibigan na viruses. So, kailangan na natin itong i-turn on or enable natin. So, click mo lang yan. Then next, user account control, click mo lang yung yes. Yeah, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano tayo mag-enable. Kung gusto mo naman itong i-disable, so napakasimple lang. So punta lang tayo dito sa start menu, click mo lang yung settings, click mo yung privacy and security, click mo yung Windows security, click mo yung open Windows security, click mo tong virus threat and protection, scroll down, and then select yung virus threat protection settings, click mo yung manage settings, and then click mo lang ito kung gusto mo i-turn off. Okay, so click mo yan, and then user account control, click mo yung yes, and then na-turn off na po siya. Ayan, so ganun po kasimple kung paano mag-enable or disable yung Windows Defender mga kaibigan. And hope na nasundan yung ating step-by-step method at comment ka lang and any questions regarding this tutorial. Maraming salamat at nakapag-share ulit ako ng bagong kaalaman. At kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, please huwag mong kakalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe. And click mo lang yung bell notification para ma-update ka sa aking mga bagong videos and tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next vlogs.